Hey there, tech and science fans. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the wildest discoveries shaking up our understanding of the world, or in this case, the ancient past. Today we're talking about Neanderthals, our rugged, extinct cousins, and a jaw-dropping new study that says they hit a catastrophic population crash 110,000 years ago. Stick around, because this is some next-level prehistoric drama you don't want to miss. So, what's the scoop? A team of international researchers just dropped a bombshell in the journal Nature Communications. They found that Neanderthals went through what's called a genetic bottleneck, fancy science talk for a massive population drop that slashed their diversity. We're talking physical and genetic diversity taking a nosedive, leaving them way more vulnerable than ever before. This wasn't just a bad day for Neanderthals. It might have set the stage for their extinction 70,000 years later. Let's break it down. The team, including big names like Alessandro Urciuoli from the Institut Català de Paleontologia in Barcelona and Mercedes Conde Valverde from the University of Alcalá in Spain, zoomed in on something super cool: the semicircular canals in Neanderthal ears. These tiny inner ear structures help with balance and are locked in tight by genetics from birth. By studying them, they could track how diverse Neanderthals were over time. Pretty genius, right? Now, where did they dig up this evidence? They looked at fossils from all over, starting with the Atapuerca site in Spain, where 400,000-year-old pre-Neanderthals were found. Then, there's Krapina in Croatia, home to early Neanderthals from 130,000 years ago, the most complete collection we've got. And they didn't stop there. They compared these to later classic Neanderthals from spots like France, Belgium, and even Israel, dating closer to their extinction around 40,000 years ago. Here's where it gets wild. The Krapina Neanderthals? Tons of variation in those ear canals, meaning they were a diverse bunch. But fast forward to the classic Neanderthals, and bam, diversity tanks. It's like their population shrank so much that only a handful of traits survived. The researchers pinpoint this crash to around 110,000 years ago, and they've got ancient DNA backing it up too. Why does this matter? Well, less diversity means less ability to adapt. Think climate shifts, diseases, or even competition with us, Homo sapiens. Rolf Quam, an anthropology professor from Binghamton University in New York, was part of this crew too, and he says these ear canals are a perfect proxy for spotting genetic changes. His grad student Brian Keeling chipped in, calling it cutting-edge stuff, and I totally agree. But wait, there's a plot twist. Scientists used to think Neanderthals started out with low diversity way back when they split off 400,000 years ago. Nope. Turns out, the pre-Neanderthals from Atapuerca's Cima de los Huesos site were just as varied as the Krapina crew. So, this bottleneck wasn't their origin story. It hit them hard later on, right around that 110,000-year mark. Maybe a brutal ice age or some mystery disaster? We're still piecing it together. So, there you have it. Neanderthals faced a population apocalypse 110,000 years ago, and it's rewriting what we thought we knew about their downfall. From Spain to Croatia to the labs of today's top scientists, this discovery's got us all buzzing. What do you think caused this crash? Drop your theories in the comments. I'm dying to hear them. If you loved this dive into the past, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share this with your crew. It helps us keep bringing you the coolest science stories out there. Until next time, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.